Next function is trim function, guys. So if you remember, we have learned len function length. So let me start with this first to teach you what is the importance of if function. So now we have some celebrities from Bollywood. The names is written. Now you can see the how many characters are there. So if you see, I have just mentioned some space because sometimes we receive a data like this, but due to some system limitation we need to remove extra space. So for that you need to use trim. So remove all spaces from the text string except for the single space between the word. So between your first and last name there will be only one space. So let me just open the bracket and you just need to select your text or the cell and press enter. Now if you have see this trim, now see the space is got removed. So I'm just changing from I'm just checking whether the length of this is same or not. So see, if there is any space between some names or at the start or the end, this will remove, see, I'm just entering so many spaces. So for this, actually, as per the data, we have received 30, but actual space are only 12. So you need to use trim when you need to remove extra spaces between your first name or last name, or even if you have account number, bank account number, or your own pan card, Aadhaar card number, there's extra space you need to validate data. You can use trim before doing any action. So comment it, guys.